In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a high-resolution Canva design. We'll walk through setting up the right canvas, choosing crisp elements, and exporting with the best settings so your final design looks sharp on screens and in print. Start by opening Canva. Instead of picking a default template, click Create a Design and choose Custom Size. This gives you full control over your dimensions. If you are designing for digital use, say a 1080 by 1080 pixel post, consider scaling up your canvas to 2160 by 2160 for 2 times or even 3240 by 3240 for 3 times. Working larger helps preserve detail, and you can always scale down on export for a cleaner result. For anything you plan to print, enter your size in inches or centimeters and target 300 dpi, which stands for dots per inch, the standard for professional print quality. As a quick reference, an 8 by 10 inch print at 300 dpi translates to 2400 by 3000 pixels. This ensures text and graphics look crisp on paper rather than soft or pixelated. Next, focus on high-quality elements inside your design. A high-resolution canvas won't fix a blurry photo. Whenever possible, use Canva's elements, shapes, icons, and illustrations because they're vectors and stay sharp at any size. If you must use a low-resolution image, open the Apps tab and use the Canva Image Upscaler to enhance clarity. It can boost images by 2 times, 4 times, and even up to 16 times using AI. Keep in mind the best results start with a decent original. Avoid tiny uploads for print projects. Canva recommends images effectively at 300 dpi for print to maintain quality. When you are ready to export, the final quality depends on choosing the right format and settings. For web graphics, select PNG. If you have Canva Pro, drag the size slider to the right, up to 3 times to increase the pixel count before downloading. For physical items, use PDF print. This format natively supports 300 dpi and is ideal for sending to a professional printer. Go to Share. Then Download, select PDF print from the drop-down and check crop marks and bleed if your printer requires trimming accuracy. Also switch the color profile to CMYK for better color consistency in print. For logos or simple illustrations, you'll scale frequently. Choose SVG so your graphics remain infinitely sharp without pixelation. Follow these steps and your Canva designs will look clean, detailed, and professional wherever they appear. Thanks for watching.